Hey guy, Richard here. What's going on, everyone? Hey, I'm just in the garage today. Hey, I've got Larry and Kerry coming over here in just a few minutes. They were here about 2 months ago, test riding the Simple Glide. And, oh, I'm messing with my microphone trying to get it on. So they were here riding the Simple Glide, and they decided they wanted to come back and test ride it again. But they also know that I got the brand new Mooncool TK Pro. So they plan to ride that because they have a big interest in that. Whew, see, I'm getting dressed. And they're going to be testing out the brand new, it's outside already, the Meet One Tour, the other really nice trike that we've got. So yeah, I'm just trying to get things organized and getting things out the door so it's ready for them when they show up so we can just go for a ride and see what they like. That's what we're doing. Larry, how are you?
Good morning, Richard. How are you?
Great. You don't mind if I shoot a little video today, do you? Hey, Kerry.
No worries.
Right on. Toby's the star of the show.
Absolutely.
He usually is. I'm going to take my phone with me. I probably need to put Toby inside, don't I? Come on, Toby. Come on, buddy. You want to start with right here? Or you want to go around the loop like we did last time?
It'll be a lesson again.
All right. So, seat. Is that in a good position? This one doesn't go any lower because I already put a suspension seat post to make it more comfortable. Okay. So it sits up a little taller than what it normally would come. Is that going to be okay? Or I can swap the seat out and...
That's fine.
Yeah, it looks like it'd be fine.
Yeah.
I'm going to take the brake off. Power button is right here.
Okay.
Got a nice new color display there. This is your up and down.
I want slow.
Yep, I'm just showing you where it's at. So there's the up and down.
Okay.
And that's really it. You got a horn over here, but
nice.
here's your twisty throttle. Only this part moves right here, so this is your throttle.
So I do this one. Okay.
Just to get moving. I think the brakes are on over here too, aren't they? Now with this one, you can start pedaling if you wanted to, and it's going to. We're in a high gear right now too, so it's going to be a little harder. But you'll notice that it's not going to just take off and go with you. Only if you're pedaling and you want it to go.
And how do I switch this?
Okay, we're going to change that, but you have to be pedaling when you do it. Okay. So let's just get moving a little bit first. Let's let this car go by. All right, so let's give it a little throttle to get up out of this hill. Whoa, sorry, didn't mean to scare you. I moved it too much, just a little bit on that. There you go. All right, now turn loose your throttle. I want you to just pedal a little bit, and we're going to put this down in lower gear to make it easier for you. There.
Okay.
Now it's easier to pedal?
Yeah.
Now if you stop pedaling, the motor's going to stop. But now when you start pedaling again, you'll feel the motor kind of kick in a little bit. Nice and gentle.
I don't feel like I'm going to be going for the price, for the money. I think it's worth it. But I'll try the others too.
Yeah.
Try them all, right?
Yeah.
Absolutely. I mean, we like it. And it's so much better over the first version once they get that little problem fixed. Let's get you set up over here and you can go a little further if you want.
Nope, I think that's good.
It's going to be good for you? All right. This one also has a torque sensor, so you don't have to worry about moving the pedal and it shooting off with you. Okay. It's just going to keep going slow until you go faster with the pedal.
Okay, great. Helmets are important, right?
Yes, they are. And I'll be grabbing mine.
Especially after Devin. I've been watching him. I'm
Devin.
like, oh my God, where's his helmet?
You know, we just have a habit of right here not doing anything, you know, but we are. Anytime we leave, like, yeah, we're always strapped up.
Have to be.
Have to be. Power button is here. All right, so your up and down is this one and this one.
Okay.
And then those are blinkers, that's horn. So up and down.
It's nice it has front blinkers also.
Oh, yeah. When you're in, it only has 3 levels of pedal assist. When you're in number 1, it's only the rear motor.
Right.
If you want to go a little faster and you bump it up to number 2, then you have both motors going.
Got you.
We'll leave you in 1 just to get you started.
Okay.
Let me grab my helmet, close this door. Okay, let me get over there and I'll show you. Woo, don't like that tire. So this button down here, that one down there, makes it go up to make it a little harder. Okay. And then, but if you want to go slower, you have to push this one and push it like that. Okay. But it won't really change anything until the chain is moving. What most people say is, with a torque sensor like that, they feel like they're more in control versus being out of control.
Right.
Because like this one, You know, this one keeps wanting to take off because I rotate the pedal and all of a sudden, you know, here we go. And where that one, it's only if you're pedaling whatever you want to pedal.
Right.
And if you want to, I mean, if you're able to pedal a little faster, you'll notice you'll actually start going faster. That's just how it works. As long as you're not in like number 1. If you're in like number 2 or 3.
I like one.
Yeah, that's fine. Well, see, the interesting thing is, so if you put it up in the 2 or 3, you can still pedal like this and you're still going to pretty much stay at the same speed. It's not going to go anywhere with you because you're not pedaling and putting more effort into it. So.
Richard.
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great.
How are you liking it?
Oh, this bike's incredible.
Isn't it?
Oh, it rides so smoothly. Having a grand old time here.
Kerry seems to be really enjoying the Mooncool. See you later. It's okay. You take off and enjoy it. Just be safe. So, yep. So here's what I would suggest, because when you stop, we'll take a look at those pedals. They don't have a lot of grip on the bottom side, and it's easy to swap them out. It's like $15, and you can buy some that's got like little spikes on it, and that grips the bottom of your feet or your shoes. So, and you notice you didn't really take off or anything yet either, did you? But if you try to pedal a little bit more, then you'll feel it picking up speed and it'll go a little faster. Yeah.
Try this. You gotta just go for it.
You just gotta go for it.
Brake on, the flashers flash.
Yeah, they sure do.
Interesting.
So, well, it's same as that one. It's got the torque sensor, but it's a heavier bike, so you may want to use the throttle just to get moving because it's a heavy bike to try to get started.
But I want to change this a little bit.
Oh yeah, you do. So, well, again, the chain isn't going to move until you start pedaling, but we can put it down to something like that to make it easy. You got the brakes on? I can't.
Yeah.
No, this one's not. There.
And that's it, right?
Yep. Yep. Looks like it is. What's that?
That's a great feeling with the torque sensor. Now, what's the difference with the cadence sensor?
The difference? Yeah. Watch this. Watch. I start the pedal, and it just takes off, right? You remember that? Right, because it doesn't do that. It feels like a traditional bike, where this one, you move just a little, and as soon as it engages, it just takes off with you. That's why when you have it in a high gear like Pedal Assist 5, see there, and it just... How you liking that one, Kerry?
Really nice.
It is really nice, isn't it?
It's very comfortable, easy.
It just feels nice. I mean, it just glides right along.
Now, is this the seat that came with this one? Or
Yes, that is. They're redesigning that seat right now, and they're sending me another one because the next one is going to be a little more adjustable.
okay.
Right now, the backrest and the seat are two different pieces.
Okay.
So when you move the seat up and down, you can't move the backrest up and down. Well, they're going to make it adjustable, so not only does it go up and down, but you can also tilt it forward a little bit if you need to, or lean it backwards a little bit.
Okay.
And they have another seat for that one, this style where it's more like a chair.
Yes.
So they have that also.
Ching for ching, right?
Yeah, exactly. Another $200 for that chair.
It feels nice. But the recumbent style is much better for me.
Yeah.
Does that feel better for you with the paddling?
Yeah. Easier to pedal. I mean, I was fine with the other one, but this one's definitely easier for me.
Yeah.
It's like unbelievably smooth and stable.
It's a beast.
I think he's trying real hard to talk you into it.
I feel like this is like a little more ripping.
It is. It's just a...
Just turn the wheel back.
It's,
It's just so sturdy.
Now, how does this come? Is it like how much assembly is needed in this one?
oh, very little. What did we have to do to that one? I'm trying to remember. Hey, how's it going? We had to lift the handlebars up into place and attach those with the 4 screws. We had to put on the headlight. I'm trying to remember if we had to put the front tire on. Yeah, I think we did. I think we had to put the front tire on. Well, Larry, how do you like the TK Pro now that you've been riding it for a minute?
TK Pro is nice.
He says it's nice.
Bike.
Yep. I would kind of refer to that style as more of a compact style trike just because they are kind of small. Where something like this, you know, this is more of a premium. Having a good time today.
Great day, Richard. Thank you again.
You're welcome. Hey, the weather's a little nicer today than it was last time. I know. You ordered this one.
Okay.
This one is in 0 now, so it shouldn't take off with you.
Okay.
So, slip in there.
Okay. Oh my goodness, this is very high.
Okay, and we can make some adjustments.
And I like the handlebars on that one better than this one also. I find it very uncomfortable with the straight handlebars.
Yeah. A lot of people don't like them. I prefer straight versus this. I don't care for that. Is that a good spot right there?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm going to lock it down right there then. But again, remember, as soon as you start to pedal, once that motor engages, it's going to want to take you.
Okay.
You're in 0. I'm going to put you in 1.
Okay.
I'm going to get out of your way here so you can pedal and get around this car. All right, guys, so Larry and Kerry are here. They're having a good time, it seems like, and testing the different bikes out and getting familiar with them again. Always a good day. Get to do that sort of thing.
This one's more comfortable to sit in
Because of the seat.
because of the seat,
With the ride.
but the ride is better in this
The
one.
ride's incredible on this. This is like
I know.
driving in it.
But we can get a seat like this. It's only another $200.
$200
For this bike.
Yeah.
for this bike.
They sent me-
I mean, it's not that one. It's actually it's like a leather,
Oh, okay.
leather.
Right.
Yeah, and it's like it's not rounded on the back like this one is. It's straight across. You've probably seen that. It's a typical office chair. Is what it looks like.
But is it as cushy?
It looks like it is. They got one on the way. It's going to be a couple more weeks before I get it, though. And that one doesn't have a horn, does it? I just realized that. No horn, no bell.
That's going to be the one.
This one here.
Most expensive because that's the way I roll. You know, I really.
Oh, you mean that one? Oh, okay.
This one was fine. If I had tried nothing else, I would have
Oh,
been great.
he's going to be so excited to hear that.
There might be 2 in the future. We can just find room in the garage.
Sure.
To clean up the garage.
Park the car outside. Hey, Larry, I got good news for you. She thinks that's going to be the one, and she's already talking about 2 for you. Larry's back there saying there really was no comparison, Richard.
No comparison.
None whatsoever.
There is no comparison.
None.
You've got control in that.
Yeah,
The most control. I mean, I'm in control in all of them.
yeah,
But the most control in that.
yeah, for sure. It's just, I mean, it's a heavier bike, so you don't get that lean around the corners, so that builds confidence because it feels almost like a car, you know? I mean, it doesn't lean.
Incredible ride.
Would you prefer to ride this one or that one, Larry? What do you want to ride?
The 630 again, just so I can get back to that feeling. Okay, thank you. I didn't put it on that.
So much nicer because I
As
have
far as the ride on
the
the
ride
bike,
is much better on this one.
Yeah,
it's incredible.
All right. Decision made.
decision made. Yeah, I don't know how far you'd go on this thing. I haven't tested it, but you can go a long ways. They told me a few days ago when I was communicating with them, they told me that these things are selling much faster and much better than they thought they would.
It's incredible.
Oh yeah, right at 32.
32.
Maybe 33, including that nut right here, because that nut sticks out a little further.
Yeah. I'm just giving, 7 feet.
7 feet.
Just under 7 feet.
This thing is an absolutely incredible piece of machinery. Thank you so much.
Yep.
Happy holidays for you.
Same to you.
Great seeing
You're welcome
you
very
again.
much.
I'm going to send
You
you all
too.
these videos.
Yeah, please do.
I will. You can put them all together.
Yep,
I have no
and try to put
problem.
them all together again.
We have no problem.
Because you have nothing better to do with
We
your time.
like you all the time. We go and we click on like and tell all our
I
friends
appreciate
about
that.
you
Appreciate
and
the
all that.
support. I do.
No, it's great. I mean, you do the best ones. I mean, everybody
I
else.
appreciate it. We try to keep it, you know, some guys, they just do a review and then that's it. Or we try to do other stuff and just let people, invite people into our lives, you know. And
No, it's
Does this have a
absolutely.
reverse mode in it? Or
It
no?
does.
it does. I'm trying to remember how we operated the reverse mode. So with this one, let me show you. Let me show you first. You have to put it down in 0 and then hold it, because I haven't tested. This is what they told me. Yep. You got to continue holding it and then just use your throttle. But when you release it, it goes back to 0, so then you got to put it back in 1 to get it come forward again.
Richard, happy holidays.
Same to
man.
you.
All
Thank
the best.
you so very much.
Really
You're welcome.
appreciate it.
You're very welcome.
Yeah.
Glad you enjoyed it. Glad I was able to help you kind of maybe make a decision. So,
Looks pushier also.
oh, it's not going to go.
Yeah, because of the back.
Yeah, because that backrest, I can't get in there.
Can't.
Wonderful. Thank you again.
Thank
You're welcome again.
Thank you,
And-
thank you, thank you.
There should be like 12 of them. I'll look later and make sure you got them all.
Okay.
All right. Happy holidays.
Same to you.
Merry
Same to you.
Christmas. Happy New Year. Stay in good health.
Trying to.
Be careful when
Be
you're
careful on the
riding.
bikes. Wear the helmet.
Oh,
Make,
yeah.
make Devin sign a waiver.
You know, I already have one drafted up. I
You should have a waiver for people that come to your home.
think that once you reach a point where you're leaning so far, it's
gravity.
it's hard to get your center of gravity back over to get it back up
You're
again.
never going to get upright again.
So that's, I really think that was the
And
big
it's
issue.
It's a heavy bike. I mean, this
Yep.
thing's probably 100 pounds off.
Yeah, yeah.
For sure. Richard, stay well. Again.
You too. Be safe going back.
Thank
Yep,
you.
we'll be
Let me know
in
if you have
touch.
any questions.
Tonight once.
Yeah, kryptonite. And that's the brand you want. There's a lot of knockoffs that look similar,
Yep.
but they're not kryptonite. And what it is, they don't use this hardened steel.
Yeah.
They use a softer steel that you can still just cut right through it pretty easily.
Yep.
This, it takes a while for somebody with a power tool to get through it.
Well, they say there's no crime
So.
in the villages.
That's a lot.
And if you were to decide to go with this route, be aware, this stupid key falls out so easy, and I don't like that. Get the combo version. Just go with the combo version.
All right, again.
All right, guys, be safe going back.